Okay, a quick video tonight about software updates on the first generation Enyaq. As you know, if you watch my channel, I have a second generation, so I'm on 4.0. But this is a friend's car and he is on 3.2, and he's been saying to me for a while, no, I haven't seen any updates. And he's probably been looking, and in fact, I think he has been looking at the notifications up at the top of the screen. And in the last few minutes, a notification has popped up. So if you press that notification, or bring it down rather, you can see notifications there, and it's just saying there's no Wi-Fi to the external hotspot. So that's fine. It's not a software update. So he's quite right. No 3.7 update has been offered. And if you press information about software, we can see it's on 3.2. But that isn't where Škoda have put the information about the software update. That would be far too logical, putting it where all the other notifications go. So the way to find it rather is you have to get out the car, and when you get out the car and your backside leaves the seat, then the kind of power off screen appears, and that's where the updates are offered. But the other way to do it is to press the, I think it's engine start switch that's down on the steering column to the right hand side, and if we press that, you can see there update available, and if you click into that, you can see it says switch off side lights, but further information there, and you can see it loading. This is the 3.7 update. That's what he's been waiting for, and it was just hidden in a rather not obvious place. So you can see there it says switch off side lights. There's no option to go ahead, but if I switch off the side lights, and I switch off the side lights, there we go. The install option appears. We can press go, and there we are for 2 hours 20 minutes. Please leave and lock the vehicle. Hopefully that will help someone who is waiting, like my friend was, thinking that he wasn't being offered an update. It is there, it's just not in the place you might have thought it was going to be offered. Hopefully of some use, and see you in another video soon.